Hello and welcome back to another Destination Modified video. Today we'll go over my wheels. As you'll have seen from the previous video, I'll include a few clips here. I bought a set of ZR10s from Driftworks for the Supra. They needed refurbed, so I've just had them back. It was actually unbelievable service. I'll give them a shout out. It's not sponsored or anything like that. It's We Restore Alloys, based in Stirling. So I took them up on Monday this week. Dropped them off at 9:30 in the morning, and I got a phone call about 11 o'clock on Tuesday saying that they had been done. And it wasn't just a quick case of just refurbing them a different colour. They had a couple of little dents, so they needed sorted, so they've all been sorted out. As you would have seen from that video, I was kind of toing and throwing with a few different colours, so here is the colour. So as you would have seen from the reveal, the colour I chose is white. Probably a bold choice, considering these are going to be an absolute nightmare to keep clean. However, I will get them coated just to make it a little bit easier. So I still need to pick up centre caps for them and tyres as well, but I'll probably wait until Black Friday because tyre prices are mental. If anybody wants to know the specs, they're 19 by 9.5s ET23 in the front and 19 by 10.5s ET30 in the rear. And yeah, so hopefully you like them as much as I do. I can't wait to get them on the car. I don't know if I'm going to put them on over winter or not, because salted roads in Scotland will probably destroy them. So I'm not sure, we'll see. But I also have a big purchase that I have just made through B&R HQ. So that should be arriving possibly next week, if all goes to plan anyway. So that'll be a nice little reveal for you. It did cost a lot of money, so it will be very exciting for the channel, and it's a part for the Supra. So that's your little hint. Anyway, hope you enjoyed today's video. Another short one again. So if you have enjoyed today's video, leave the video a like, comment down below if I've chosen the wrong colour, which I probably have. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, but most of all, stay jolly.